DRIVEWISE, where you get rewarded for your everyday safe driving, whether you have an Allstate policy or not. Here's how it works. Open the app and just keep it running in the background. Then drive safely, like you do already. You'll rack up Allstate rewards points by completing safe driving challenges. Use your points to unlock savings on top brands, like the North Face, Nike, Oakley, and more. And even earn cash back if you have DriveWise on your Allstate auto policy. Plus, DriveWise will automatically remember where you parked your car. Download the Allstate mobile app today and start getting rewarded for your everyday smart driving. What is comprehensive coverage? Comprehensive coverage helps pay to repair or replace your car if it's stolen or damaged by something other than collision. Comprehensive typically helps cover theft and damage from vandalism, natural disasters, falling objects, fire, hail, flood, or animals. If you lease or finance your vehicle, your lender may require you to carry comprehensive coverage until your loan is paid off. If you own your vehicle outright, comprehensive coverage is optional on your car insurance policy. So, why consider comprehensive coverage? Well, could you afford to repair your car if it were damaged in a hailstorm? Or what if you hit a deer? In these types of situations, comprehensive coverage may help pay for costly repairs up to your coverage limit. The limit is the maximum amount your insurer will pay for a covered claim. The limit for comprehensive coverage is typically the depreciated value, or the actual cash value, of your vehicle. Say your car is stolen or totaled in a covered claim. Your insurer would cut you a check for the car's actual cash value. If you wanted to replace your totaled car with a new vehicle that costs more than your insurance reimbursement, you would have to pay the balance out of your own pocket. Another key thing to know about comprehensive coverage is that it has a deductible. A deductible is the amount you pay toward a covered claim. You choose your deductible, for example, $500, when you buy comprehensive coverage. Now you have a little more information on the benefits of comprehensive coverage and how it works. Questions? Contact an Allstate agent.
So you're ready to select auto insurance for your car. Where do you start? It's a good idea to learn about your options. Here are some of the different types of coverage you may include in your policy. Let's start with auto liability, which is required by law in most states. If someone gets hurt in an accident you caused, bodily injury liability coverage helps pay for your legal fees if you are sued, as well as the injured person's medical bills and lost wages. If you damage another person's property with your vehicle, property damage liability coverage may help reimburse the other party for repairs or replacement. Next, let's look at coverage that helps pay your medical expenses if you're hurt in a car accident. Depending on the state where you live, you may have the option of purchasing either personal injury protection or medical payments coverage. These may help pay doctor or hospital bills after a covered accident. Another type is uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. If you're hit by a driver who doesn't have car insurance, uninsured motorist coverage helps pay for your medical bills, and depending on where you live, repairs to your property after the accident. Underinsured motorist coverage works similarly. It helps pay your medical expenses if you're hit by a driver whose liability coverage limits aren't sufficient to pay for your bills after the accident. And then there are coverages that help if your car is damaged. Let's say you need to replace or repair your vehicle after a collision with another car or object. Collision coverage helps pay those costs. What if your car was damaged by something other than an accident? Comprehensive coverage helps pay to repair or replace your car if it's damaged by things like theft, animals, falling objects, or fire. Finally, it's important to remember that each type of car insurance coverage has a limit, which is the maximum amount your insurer will pay for a covered claim. And some coverages have a deductible, which is the amount of money you pay out of pocket toward a covered claim. Have questions? Reach out to your agent to learn more about what types of coverage may be best for you.
What is full coverage car insurance? When people use that term, they often mean a combination of coverages, but full coverage doesn't actually exist. A car insurance policy offers plenty of options to help protect you and your vehicle. Let's talk about a few. Cause an accident? Auto liability coverage helps pay the other driver's medical expenses or repair bills. Keep in mind that your liability coverage won't pay for your own bills after an accident. Say your car needs repairs after a wreck. Collision coverage helps pay the repair or replace your vehicle. Or maybe your car is damaged, but not from a collision. If your car is stolen, or if something falls on it, that's where comprehensive coverage comes in. Suppose your car's in the shop after a covered claim. Rental reimbursement coverage helps pay for a rental car while yours is being repaired. What if you or your passengers are injured in a car accident? Medical payments coverage or personal injury protection help pay your medical bills. Uh-oh, an uninsured driver injured you or damaged your vehicle? Uninsured motorist coverage may help with your expenses. These are some of the common car insurance coverages you may want to consider adding to your policy. Remember, each coverage has a limit, and some coverages have a deductible. Ready to start exploring your options? Contact an Allstate agent today.
A car insurance premium is what you pay regularly to keep your policy in force. But have you ever wondered what affects that cost? Let's look at some of the factors that may affect your premium. First, there's the car itself. Some types cost more to insure than others. Then there's your driving record, including accidents. Another factor, the amount you drive your car. Where you live and where you park your car may also affect your premium. Your age and years of driving experience may also have an impact. The type of coverage you choose affects your premium. Coverages that may be optional, like collision or comprehensive, cost extra. One last thing to keep in mind. Limits and deductibles affect the cost of your policy. You may be able to adjust your limits and deductibles on some types of coverage. A local agent can help you further adjust your policy so it fits your needs and your budget. Even the safest drivers can get into accidents. If your car is damaged, here are some steps you can usually expect when filing a car insurance claim. You'll kick off the process by contacting your insurer to provide information about the accident. They will help you understand details about your policy. You'll want to confirm your deductible, which is the amount you'll pay out of pocket to repair covered damage. Keep in mind, once you pay your deductible, your insurer will help pay for repairs up to the coverage limit stated in your policy. You may also want to see if your policy includes rental reimbursement coverage, which helps pay for a rental car while yours is being repaired for a covered claim. Another thing to ask your insurer, whether there are time limits for making claims and submitting bills. Next, your insurer will assign you a claims adjuster to investigate the accident. They'll also determine how much the insurance company will pay for repairs. Finally, you'll need to get your car repaired. You can take it to any repair shop you choose. Depending on the situation, your insurer might pay the repair shop directly or pay you and let you handle the bill. Have any other questions about the claims process? Reach out to your local agent. No one wants to think about anything bad happening to your brand new car, but what if it gets damaged or even totaled? Your auto lender may require comprehensive and collision coverage. These car insurance coverages help pay to replace a totaled vehicle, but they factor in depreciation to the value of the car. The problem is, a new car loses value the moment you drive it off the lot. So, if your new car is totaled, you could end up owing more on your loan or lease than its depreciated value. Loan or lease gap coverage helps pay the difference. Say you bought your car for $25,000. A while later, your car is totaled in a covered accident. You still owe $20,000 on your loan or lease, but your car's depreciated value is $19,000. Your comprehensive or collision coverage would pay only up to the depreciated value. If you had gap coverage on your car insurance policy, it would help pay the extra $1,000 to your auto lender, so you don't have to pay it out of pocket. Keep in mind, gap coverage helps pay off your loan or lease on a totaled car, one that's no longer drivable. But it doesn't pay for a new car. For that, you'd need another optional coverage called new car replacement coverage. If you own or lease a brand new car, consider adding loan or lease gap coverage to your car insurance policy. Check with your insurer to see if your vehicle qualifies.
Estás listo para seleccionar un seguro para tu auto, pero ¿por dónde empezar? Es recomendable conocer tus opciones. Estos son algunos de los distintos tipos de cobertura que puedes incluir en tu póliza. Comencemos con la cobertura de responsabilidad civil para autos, que la ley exige en la mayoría de los estados. Si alguien se lastima en un accidente que tú hayas causado, la cobertura de responsabilidad civil por lesiones corporales ayuda a pagar tus honorarios legales si te demandan, así como los gastos médicos y salarios perdidos de la persona lesionada. Si dañas la propiedad de otra persona con tu vehículo, la cobertura de responsabilidad civil por daños a la propiedad puede ayudar a reembolsar a la otra parte sus reparaciones o reemplazo. A continuación, revisemos la cobertura que ayuda a pagar tus gastos médicos si sufres heridas en un accidente de auto. Dependiendo del estado donde vivas, puedes tener la opción de adquirir protección contra lesiones personales o cobertura de pagos médicos. Estas coberturas pueden ayudar a pagar las cuentas médicas o del hospital luego de un accidente cubierto. Otro tipo de cobertura es la cobertura contra conductores sin seguro y sin suficiente seguro. Si un conductor que no tiene seguro de auto te choca, la cobertura contra conductores sin seguro te ayuda a pagar tus facturas médicas y, dependiendo de dónde vivas, las reparaciones a tu propiedad después del accidente. La cobertura contra conductores sin suficiente seguro funciona de manera similar. Te ayuda a pagar tus gastos médicos si te choca un conductor cuyos límites de cobertura de responsabilidad civil no alcanzan para pagar tus gastos después del accidente. También hay coberturas que ayudan si tu auto sufre daños. Digamos que necesitas reemplazar o reparar tu vehículo después de una colisión con otro auto u objeto. La cobertura de colisión ayuda a pagar esos costos. ¿Qué pasa si tu automóvil sufre daños a causa de algo que no es un accidente? La cobertura contra todo riesgo ayuda a pagar la reparación o reemplazo de tu auto si sufre daños causados por robo, animales, caída de objetos o incendios. Finalmente, es importante recordar que cada tipo de cobertura de seguro de auto tiene su propio límite, o sea, la cantidad máxima que tu aseguradora pagará por un reclamo cubierto. Y algunas coberturas tienen un deducible, que es la cantidad de dinero que pagas de tu bolsillo por un reclamo cubierto. ¿Tienes alguna pregunta? Ponte en contacto con tu agente para obtener más información sobre qué tipo de cobertura pueden ser las más adecuadas para ti.